Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. Today's video is very important if you are using Proxmox VE in a single server environment. We will configure all major storage types step by step, including directory storage, LVM storage, LVM-Thin. After watching this video, you will clearly understand which storage to use and how to configure it properly. Part 1, Storage Overview. Before configuration, let's quickly understand the storage types. Directory, file-based, easy, used for ISO and backup. LVM, block storage, better performance. LVM-Thin, flexible plus snapshot support. Part 2, Directory Storage Configuration. Now let's configure directory storage. Step 1, log into Proxmox Web UI. Step 2, go to Data Center. Step 3, click Storage. Step 4, click Add, select Directory. Now fill the fields. Click Add. Now your directory storage is ready. You can store ISO files, backups, VM disks, container templates. Part 3, LVM Storage Configuration. Now we configure LVM Storage. Go to Data Center, click Storage, click Add LVM. Select Disk, click Add. LVM is used only for VM disks, not used for ISO or backup. Part 4, LVM-Thin Configuration. Now let's configure LVM-Thin, recommended. Go to Data Center, Storage, add LVM-Thin. Click Add. Support Snapshot. Best for VM plus container. So this was the complete Proxmox storage configuration guide for single node. Now you can confidently configure directory, LVM, LVM-Thin and. If this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.